cell membrane. Component of cell. A component of cell. First, we define what is cell membrane, and then what is the composition of cell membrane, functions of cell membrane, and last, ultrastructure of cell membrane. Now, first is define. It is the outermost layer of the animal cell and second outermost layer of the plant cell, and it is the main living cell or living component of our cell system. In this cell membrane, it is selectively permeable, quasi-fluid, quasified means semi-solid, and it consists of various components which make it elastic. So, cell membrane is also known by the different terms. So, first is cell membrane term is given by cell membrane term is given by Nageli and Kramer. Nageli and Kramer. Unit membrane by Robertson. Unit membrane by Robertson. Plasma membrane by Plasma membrane by Pfeffer, and plasma lemma by Flow. These are the different terms also known for the cell membrane. Now we see some properties of cell membrane. Properties of cell membrane. First property is it is elastic. Hence it is elastic, so it fluid around across the cell, across the full cell. Okay. Now second is semi-solid, or it is also known as quasified, so that all the substance of different size can pass through it. It is selectively permeable. Selectively permeable means it does not allow all the components together. It only exit or in of the many components according to the nature. What is required or what is not required, it is selectively permeable. So these are the properties of the cell membrane. Now, functions of cell membrane. Cell membrane functions are: first is separates the outer exterior part of the body and inner part of the cell. Outer and exterior part of the cell separation का काम करती है. Now, second is electrochemical gradients. Electrochemical gradient. Channel and transporters are also present on this for the entry and exit of the different molecules. Channel and transporters. Different kinds of enzymes present for the different metabolic activities for our in our body, and many more. So these are the total functions of the cell membrane. Now, then we see what is the composition of cell membrane and what contains in the cell membrane. Next is composition. First, So composition is lipid. Lipid, it is 15 to 20, 15 to 55% of lipid is present. Lipid is present. It is bilayer membrane. It is and amphipathic means hydrophobic and hydrophilic. Amphipathic means one side is hydrophilic and one side is hydrophobic. And what is hydrophilic and hydrophobic? Hydrophilic is which structure is outermost side, that is hydrophilic, and which structure is inner side, that is the hydrophilic, away from water component. In the lipid, there are three main lipids: phospholipids, glycolipids, and sterols. Phospholipid is phosphate group containing. Glycolipid is glycerol group is containing, and sterols means ergosterol, cholesterol, phytosterol. Now we will see in the next move. Second is protein. Protein is around 30 to 50% of 30 to 70% of proteins are present. Protein act as the receptors and carriers of the molecules, and also it act all the enzymes are made up of protein, so it also act as protein enzymes such as oxidase, cellular synthetase, ATP synthetase, and many more enzymes are also made up of protein. So mainly protein are of two types, that is the membrane protein, which is present on the outer side, and integral protein, which is present on in between the phosphate layer. In between the phosphate layer. Third is carbohydrate. Its percentage is less, 1 to 8% only. So 1 to 8% carbohydrate are present. Which carbohydrate? Monosaccharides like galactose and glucose. Oligosaccharides, which is made up of 8 to 9 molecules of simple glucose. This is the carbohydrate. Fourth one is water, which is the main component also, that is the 20%. So this is the basic composition of the cell membrane by which cell membrane is made. Now we see the ultrastructure of cell membrane. So you have clear all this component one by one. Now next is ultrastructure of cell membrane. Basically only one model which is mostly accepted, but we have seen three models. First is trilaminar. It is given by the Donnelly and Davison. This model is given by the Donnelly and Davison. In this model, first is basically in this model, two layers of protein, and two layers of bilipid is present. How it is present? In two, this is protein layers and this is lipid layer. So in this model, basically two layers of bilipid is present in between the two layers of protein. So this is like a sandwich. It is also known as sandwich model. Sandwich model. And according to this model, its thickness is 75 angstrom. It is 75 angstrom, and in this proteins are globular or convo. Globular proteins are present according to this model. So this is the trilaminar model. Next model is unit membrane model. Next is unit membrane model. In the unit membrane model, it is given by the Robertson. In unit, why it is called unit membrane? Because this membrane is present in both eukaryotes, prokaryotes, plant cells, animal cells. Hence, it is known as unit membrane model. And in this, according to this model, proteins are beta extended proteins and lipids bilayer is present. So, in this model, bilayer of lipids and proteins are beta extended, all contain in all eukaryotes and prokaryotes. Eukaryotes, prokaryotes. Hence it is known as unit membrane. Now, next model is fluid mosaic model, which is the most accepted and defines all the characteristics of cell membrane in this model. So, next is third one is fluid mosaic model. First we see it is given by Jonathan Singler, and Garth Nicholson. First we see what is the structure of this model. So this is the lipid bilayer. This is the lipid bilayer. This part is exterior, मतलब outer side, and this is the cytosol, मतलब inner side of the cell. ठीक है? Now this is the lipid bilayer. In this lipid bilayer, these are the amphipathic molecule in which outermost part is this is hydrophilic head. This is hydrophilic head, and these are the leaflets. Which is hydrophobic because it is the inner side. So it is away from the water molecules. So it is the leaflets which is hydrophobic in nature. In this lipid bilayers, many different types are present. That is the phospholipids, in which phosphate groups are present, and some is glycolipids. Phosphate lipids are more component, that is the 40 to 50 70 to 80%, and glycolipids are only 20 to 30%, and some are sterols. So next we see in the detail part of the lipid bilayer. Next is protein part. These are the protein. That is the two types of protein. That is the membrane protein, which are present on the membrane part, and this is the integral protein, which is present in between integral protein, which is present in between the leaflets. Now, it acts as a transporter, channels, and as a receptors, enzymes. All are the functions of the protein, which is here. In detail, we will see in the next one by one. Now, this is the carbohydrate groups which is attached to the protein, glycoproteins. This is the carbohydrate group, which is mainly monosaccharides or oligosaccharides. Monosaccharide or oligosaccharide. Now, it is seen that in cell membrane, negative charge is present. Why it is negative charge? Because some amount of sialic acid is present. Sialic acid, which is responsible for the slightly negative charge of the cell membrane components. So, in next we see the lipid bilayer in some detail and membrane protein in some details. This is the bilayer. First, in this, about 50 molecules of lipid bilayer present in which one protein is present. Means 50 layers, 50 molecules of lipid and one molecule of protein. 50 layers of lipid, one layer of molecule. One molecule of protein. So this is the component. Now, in this lipid bilayer, two components are present. That is the hydrophobic part, hydrophilic part. Hydrophilic part, which is present at the outermost side of both sides due to it interact with the water molecules aqueous. Sometimes it is aqueous. And this is the hydrophilic part, leaflets. Hydrophilic part, also known as leaflets. Leaflets. Okay. Now, in this three types of lipids are present. First is A है phospholipid. In this, mainly two groups present. That is the phosphate group. The lipids by which phosphate group is attached or is known as phospholipids. Second is glycolipids. Glycolipids or spigno or spignolin, स्पिग्नोअमीन लिपिड्स. ठीक है. और in which carbohydrate group monosaccharides or oligosaccharides is attached or spigno group is present, then it is known as glycolipids or spignolipids. C is sterol, means on which fatty acids or glycerol groups is present, then it is known as sterols. In plants, phytosterol. for plants, cholesterol, cholesterol in animal cell, and ergosterol in microorganism. Microorganism is present. So this is the ultrastructure of membrane, which is known as fluid mosaic model. Why it is known as fluid mosaic? Because it is define the elasticity of the membrane, and it also rotates, means flip-flop movement also shown by the lipid bilayer. Hence it is known as also known as fluid mosaic model, is also known as flip-flop model. And it also defines the entry and exit of the different size of molecules which is required by our cell. And also in this uh, carbohydrate is also present, that is the galactose, monosaccharides and many more. And next is sterol. So this is about the lipid bilayer. Next is proteins. Next is protein, that is protein is of two types: membrane protein, and second is integral protein. Membrane protein is what? Membrane protein is outermost protein which are present on the outer side of the both lipid bilayer, and its amount is about 30%. And what is integral protein? Integral proteins are the proteins which is present in between the lipid bilayer, and its amount is more, that is about 70%. 70%. In this membrane protein, sometimes carbohydrates, monosaccharides, and in integral protein mainly uh, amine, sphygnoamine and phosphatidylamine are present. In membrane protein are act as the receptor or carrier of other molecules which is attached to the membrane. And integral protein are generally act as the channel and transporter which allow the entry and exit of the different types of molecule, mainly the facilitated diffusion and other things. So this is the difference of the membrane protein and types of protein. And that is all about the cell membrane, complete structure, function and define and terms. So that is for today. Thank you so much. बंद कर दो.